Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Garage. Check this out. A frame-off restoration 1975 Ford Bronco. This is sweet. I want to thank High Octane Classics here on Route 20 in Auburn, Massachusetts for giving me the opportunity to bring this to Freedom Garage. Couldn't do it without them, and this is for sale. If you want to check out this vehicle or the many others that they have, ton of classic motor vehicles here, ton of muscle cars here. Links will be in the description down below. Check them out, hit up on the social, follow them. And if you're in the market for this or something else, they probably have it there at High Octane Classics. So thanks again, guys. Let's talk about this 1975 Ford Bronco. Like I said, a frame-off restoration in the copper color. I'm going to give you a walk around, show you the inside and outside of this thing. It does come with two tops, the soft top, which is down right now, and a hard top. But this thing is gorgeous. A lot has been done to it to customize it. We'll show you everything. We'll show you the inside. We'll show you the motor, and then we'll take it out for a run and come back and wrap it up and let you know what I think of it. All right, guys, let's do the walk around on this 1975 Ford Bronco. Again, this is a frame-off restoration. It does have a 302 inside, which we'll see in a moment. Made it to a 3-speed manual, and you can see how it's been customized. We have the LED headlights here, which make a huge difference compared to what those lights were, the headlights from the mid-70s. Gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. Again, like I mentioned, the aftermarket rims and brand new tires. These are 33s. You can see the paint is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous paint here. Two doors. It does have the bench in the back. I'll show you that again in a second. These rims are beautiful. No issues with the paint. This is a gorgeous vehicle. All right, let's look in the back here. So we have the soft top is on it. Actually, it's soft top's in the back. It was taken down because it's the first gorgeous day where it hasn't been 104 degrees with 100% humidity. So I am going to take this out with the top down. You can see the roll bars here. Let's check this thing out. You can see the door. Excellent, it's been painted. Man, look at this. I don't know if any of you guys and gals watching were fans of the Ford Broncos, but this is a fantastic, fantastic option right here. You can see it has the racing seat belts, the metal pedals. Okay, first we're greeted with a wood steering wheel. Obviously aftermarket. This is beautiful. Down here we have the fuel tank switch. We have the main tank and the auxiliary for the fuel tanks. Look at that speedometer. Look at all the cluster of information there. We have the voltage meter, we have the fuel gauge, we have the temp gauge, the oil gauge, oil temperature gauge, of course our speedometer and our odometer. Coming around here, we have an adjustable column. Continuing on the dash, we have our headlights and our windshield washers, as well as the ignition. We have our HVAC controls, defrost, heat, fan. Here we have an ashtray and the glove box. Pretty cool. This is a gorgeous restoration. You see the floors are rubberized. And of course, here is our 3-speed as well as our 4-wheel drive, high and low. We have a couple cup holders. This is a custom center console here. Tons of room. The customary view from the rear view mirror. We'll go a little higher. You can see the rear bench. Beautiful vehicle, especially with the top down. Check them out, High Octane Classics. Links in the description. Oof, look at this thing. All right, let's see what's under the hood. Give you one more view here from outside of the passenger compartment. The rear bench. Such a fun spot to ride in a vehicle. Let's come around and check out what's under the hood. Again, it's a 302. Here's our release. That's with one hand. Look at that thing. Again, they don't make them like this anymore. Look at all the room in here. I mean, it's a lot of motor in the available space, but looks like they've done a really nice job. We got a beautiful 302 in here, the Ford 302. It is a V8 5-liter motor, and it has 140 horsepower with 230 pound-feet of torque. You can see the brake booster there. So our horns are mounted inside here. Just a gorgeous truck. I mean, if you are an old school SUV fan, it doesn't get much better than this option here. All right, let's start it up. Listen to this motor. Beautiful. One more look. Let's go for a ride. Go this way. Top's down, so if it gets loud, I apologize. Now I hope you can hear me well with the wind, but this thing, man, what a fun vehicle. This must have been to drive every day. Now, I have to admit I'm an AC guy, but with the top down, this is pretty cool. Just turning heads, every head in that parking lot. It's a lot of fun, man. Look at this thing. Well, guys and gals, what'd you think about this thing? This is one bad Ford Bronco. Customized in all the right areas that I would do it myself with the LED lighting. This thing is cool. The huge tires, which are brand new, the aftermarket rims. This thing is sweet. Again, thanks to High Octane Classics here in Auburn, Massachusetts. Check them out down below. And if you'd like to see me continue to bring these cool classic vehicles to you here in Freedom Garage, all you got to do is like the video, share the video, and subscribe down below. And of course, I'll always be checking out the comments to see what you all think about these vehicles I bring forward to you. Man, I'm going to take this for another ride. Thank you all for your time. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting us here at Freedom Garage. And until we see each other again, have a fantastic day. Take care. Man, look at this.